Hello everyone, back again, and I bought a new camera. I bought the Sony ZV-1 camera by Sony, and I bought some accessories. I'm showing the accessories one by one for the videos so that people can pick and choose which one they're interested in. Now, the batteries for the ZV-1, they're very small, and it's NP-BX1 is the battery. Now these batteries, if I was to buy them Sony original, they're about $60 each for this battery. And that's a lot of money. So I'm recording this with my Sony a6500, and I have used the non-Sony brand batteries, and they work. They don't hold their charge as well as the Sony original, but they do the job, and they don't cost me $60 each. So I always like having extra batteries just in case I'm not near a charging place, but I can run the a6500 and the Sony ZV-1 with a power bank hooked up through the USB. So you can use that as an alternative. So what I did was, I'm going to show you what I purchased here. And you get 3 batteries. I bought this off of Amazon. It comes with the USB plug. I got 1 million of these now. It comes with a charger, and it fits 3 batteries for the charger. And here are the individual batteries. And I'm just going to open one because no sense of, hold on, let me put this down. Okay, and I open this up. Oh, it comes with a little plastic case. That will come in handy for like some memory cards or something like that. And we open that up and we compare. Now, same size, same connections. Now it looks a little, oh wait a minute, I have this in the wrong place. Okay, that's better. It's just the color is throwing me off. And that's it. So I'm going to charge them up, and then I'll see if they work. Now, I did have a problem once with my Sony a6500 with the off-brand batteries. It actually detected it and said that it wouldn't work with it, but eventually it did work. I don't know what happened. I didn't do anything differently, but sometimes that can happen. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how to set this up, and what I'm going to do is I'll use this USB cord that came with it, and I'm going to attach this. Now, it's a USB-C, and they have for both USB-C and the regular mini USB outlets, so you can do both. And I put that in there, and I'll attach this to my power bank, which is already on. And There we go. Let me see. It's on. Oh, well, let me put a battery in because probably the LED indicator will go on. There we go. And it shows red. I guess it will show green if it, or go out. Sometimes they go out too. So I'm going to put it in the rest, and I'll get back to you when they're fully charged, and I'll put it in the camera. Get back to you. Just give me a minute. Well, the LEDs indicate green now, and they're, which means it's full. I'm going to take one of the batteries out so I can test it out on the camera. Let's open this up. Slide that open. Now there's an arrow here indicating this way. This is how the batteries go. And this has the same thing here. Let's put it in. It slides in. And let's see what happens. And voila. It works. And I didn't get any messages saying that the battery was no good. Let's see. The battery indicator indicates that it's full. So that's a good thing. Well, the next thing is for out in the real world use. I have to take it out outside, do it. I'm satisfied so far. Now what I can do is a follow-up video on this if it doesn't work out. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video that it's working properly too. But I'm happy with it. Now this charger with the 3 batteries, I think I paid $20 for it. For 3 batteries, charger, and everything. That's all I got for you. Please click like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Have a good day, everyone. Peace.